Hello, this is Godzilla vs. Godzilla again, doing a toy review on the Showa Godzilla 90s. Very nice, and it's one of my favorites, top 10. Comes with this tag. It's the movie Monster series. Very nice figure. Shows him shooting his radioactive fire. Well, in other words, a radiation beam. So yeah, very nice figure. Articulation, head goes 360, arms 180, 360, a little hard, you don't want it to pop out. Tail has a glue seal, so if you could break it, lucky you. So yeah, but I'm not gonna break mine. It's okay, I don't even need it to be broken. So yeah, it's a very nice figure. I'm gonna do size comparison with Destroyer. Let's open his wings up. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't go too well. Destroyer's like up here, towers above Godzilla. So, yeah, he doesn't go well with other figures. But still, it's a very nice figure. If you're a Godzilla fan, well, and I guess you would like it very much. So I bought this off eBay. A person sells it on bid for $5. Nobody puts a bid on it for some reason. I put a bid on it. Nobody outbid me for a week, a whole week. In fact, I'm planning on buying the original Godzilla movie Monster series. I have a bid on that, and nobody's putting bids on it. I don't know why. They also have the die-cast Gigan that I'm going to do a toy review on. So yeah, very nice figure. If you could find it, yeah, I suggest that you might want to get it. Godzilla vs. Godzilla signing out.